Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of accepting credit card payments online using Stripe. Stripe is a powerful payment processing platform that allows businesses to manage payments seamlessly. Let's break down the steps you need to follow to get started. Step 1. Create a Stripe account. To begin, visit the Stripe website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your email address, create a password, and provide some basic information about your business. Once you have completed the registration, confirm your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Step 2. Verify your email and add business details. After confirming your email, log into your Stripe dashboard. You'll need to provide more details about your business, including your business name, type, and address. Ensure that you have your banking information ready, as you'll need it to receive payouts. Step 3. Set up payment options. In your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Settings menu. Under Payment Methods, select the credit cards you want to accept. Stripe supports various major credit cards, making it easy for your customers to pay using their preferred method. Step 4. Integrate Stripe with your website. To start accepting payments online, you can integrate Stripe with your website. Depending on your platform, e.g., WordPress, Shopify, etc., you may find dedicated plugins or extensions that simplify this process. If you're comfortable with coding, you can use Stripe's API to customize the payment process according to your needs. Step 5. Create a payment form. If you're using the API, create a payment form on your website where customers can enter their credit card details. Ensure that the form is secure and has an SSL certificate to protect sensitive information. Stripe provides libraries to help you build these forms safely. Step 6. Test your setup. Before going live, perform test transactions to ensure everything works as expected. Stripe offers a test mode feature that allows you to simulate payments without using real credit cards. Use the test card numbers provided in the Stripe documentation to verify your setup. Step 7. Go live. Once you're satisfied with your testing, switch your Stripe account from test mode to live mode. You'll need to input the necessary information again to ensure everything is configured correctly. Now you're ready to accept real payments. Step 8. Monitor and manage transactions. In your Stripe dashboard, you can monitor transactions, manage refunds, and access analytics to track your payment performance. Take advantage of these features to optimize your payment processing and customer experience. Don't forget to stay updated with Stripe's features and improvements, as they can help you enhance your payment system further. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful.